Hello everyone, this is a short guide on how to upgrade projects with Hotlinked Files from LAND4 V4 to V5. The first step is to remove the Hotlinked projects from the master file. Open the master project in LAND4 V4 and then go to File, External Content and Hotlink Module Manager. Select the Hotlinked projects under the Hotlink Sources menu and press on Delete. Then press OK. And if you go back to the Hotlink Module Manager, you can see that the Hotlink projects are now gone. Now save the project and close Archicad. Next step is to install the new LAND4 V5. Run the installer and follow the installation steps. In the next step, migrate the Hotlinked projects individually. Note that during this step, the LAND4 elements are migrated to the new LAND4 version. When prompted, confirm the migration of the LANDSurface elements. A message will display the number of elements successfully migrated. Save each project separately after the migration has been completed. Then close the project and go on with the next. Now that each project has been successfully migrated, we can continue on with the next step. Restore the Hotlink structure. First, open the master project. And then, using the place hotlink function, add back the migrated project back as hotlinks using the original project hierarchy. The project hierarchy is now fully migrated and ready for use with LAND4 V5. Just as a recap, here are all the process steps again. This is a one-time process that is required when upgrading to the new LAND4 V5.